Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on your MacBook Pro. First, understand that DayZ is designed for Windows, so you will need to install a Windows operating system on your Mac. We will cover two main methods: Boot Camp for native performance and virtual machines for convenience. Choosing the right method is crucial for a smooth survival experience in the game's expansive world. Let's dive into the details to get you started. To run DayZ effectively, your MacBook Pro needs to meet specific system requirements. You'll need a 64-bit version of Windows, such as Windows 10 or 11. The game minimally requires an Intel Core i5-4430 processor or an AMD Ryzen 5 2600, along with 8 GB of RAM. For graphics, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 760 or AMD R9270X is the minimum. Ideally, 12 GB of RAM and a more powerful graphics card, like a GTX 1060, are recommended for a better experience. You have two primary options for running Windows on your MacBook Pro. Boot Camp allows you to install Windows directly onto your Mac's hard drive, letting you boot into Windows natively. This method provides the best possible performance for DayZ, as Windows has full access to your hardware. Alternatively, a virtual machine like Parallels runs Windows as an application within Mac OS. While easier to set up, virtual machines typically offer lower frame rates and can introduce stuttering due to shared resources. Once DayZ is installed, optimizing your system is key for smooth gameplay. Always ensure your Windows operating system and graphics drivers are up to date. Within the game, reduce graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow detail, and view distance to boost your frame rate. Close any unnecessary background applications running in Windows to free up valuable system resources. For faster loading times and overall responsiveness, consider installing DayZ on a solid-state drive, ideally an external one if your internal storage is limited.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.